Hi everyone, welcome to Shriya Cotton House. This is Aishwarya. In this video, we will be showing you everyone's favorite item actually. So this is budget-friendly daily wear items. So all these items will be available in our website. So if you like to book any of this item, kindly log into our website, which is www.shriyadecottonhouse.com, or else take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 9176641794. Today we will be showing you two set of collections. One is batik dyed cotton item, which is priced at 725 with free shipping. And the next one is Ajrak dyed cotton item that is priced at 850 with free shipping. Okay, so let me show you the items one by one. The first item is a batik cotton sets. Okay, so this is the first item. It's a beautifully printed a daily wear batik cotton set. This is a sky blue color cotton item. You will be getting a printed sky blue color cotton dupatta and a printed bottom. So in this, right, we have actually 8 color combination. So this is beautiful sky blue, light blue. This is okay. So this is how the top will be. You will be getting a complete printed pattern. Okay, so this is how the top looks. The full top has got a complete batik pattern, and in the back portion also you will be getting the batik dyed. Okay, so this is how the top will be. It's a very soft cotton top, and you will be getting a same color printed cotton bottom. This is how the bottom will be. You will be getting a prints here and there. Okay, and you will be getting a completely printed soft cotton dupatta. Okay, so this is how the dupatta will be. So this is a very lengthy dupatta. I hope you could see the length as well. Okay, so very soft, very comfortable daily wear and office wear item. So this is priced only at 725 with free shipping. We have 8 colors in this. So this is light blue. Let me show you the next colors. The next is a dark pink, kind of a dark rani pink. This is, so the print varies for each colors. Actually, the print is not same for all the colors. Print will be different. Okay, so this is how the top looks. This is the dark pink color soft cotton top, and this is how the bottom will be. Okay, same color cotton bottom you will be getting with this, and the dupatta, cotton dupatta. The dupatta needs tappings. Okay, completely printed cotton dupatta. So this is priced only for 725 with free shipping. So next one is beautiful yellow, dark mango yellow color. This is okay. So this is how the top looks. It's a beautiful yellow color, not too bright or too dim yellow. Beautiful yellow this is, and this is the bottom you will be getting with this printed bottom, and this is the dupatta. Completely printed, very soft dupatta. This is very comfortable item. This is, so this is priced only for 725 with free shipping. So the next one is magenta pink. Okay, totally we have got 2 pinks. One is dark rani pink, and the next one is magenta pink. Okay, so this is how the top will be. You will be getting print on both the sides, and this is the bottom you will be getting beautifully printed same color bottom, cotton bottom you will be getting with this, and this is the dupatta, completely printed soft cotton dupatta. All these items are available in our website. So if you like to book any of this item, kindly do log into our website and you can place your orders. So this is priced only for 725 with free shipping. So the next is dark navy blue. Okay, for 725 it's really worth the buy, so don't miss it. Many of you are asking for daily wear items for a long time, so we have come up this time. Okay, so this is how the top will be, dark navy blue color cotton top with the same color cotton bottom you will be getting with this, and you will be getting a same color cotton dupatta. So all these are very lengthy fabrics only, so no need to worry on the measurements. This is how the set looks. So this is priced only at 725 with free shipping. Okay, so next is light green. Okay, beautiful green this is. So we have got 8 colors in this. Okay, so this is how the top looks, beautiful green this is. I hope you could see the length of the fabric also, very lengthy fabric. It's more than enough to stitch up to 5XL size, and this is the bottom you will be getting with the same colored bottom. and a same color cotton dupatta. Priced only for 725. Okay. So the next one is a kind of a sea blue. Okay, totally we have got two light blues in this. One is a kind of greenish blue, and this is a pure sky blue. Okay, so this is how the top looks, and this is the bottom, printed bottom, and a completely printed soft cotton dupatta. Priced only for 725 with free shipping. We have got one more color, that's beautiful brown. Okay, so this is a brown color, batik dyed cotton top. Print varies for each item. Again, I am saying print, you won't be getting same print for all the colors. Print varies for each colors actually. Okay, so this is how the top will be, and this is the bottom you will be getting with this printed bottom and a printed dupatta. So this is priced only at 725 with free shipping. Okay, let's move on to the next item. Next item is also a daily wear item, so that's a ajrak dyed cotton item. Okay, so this is how the top will be. This is just a printed top. You will be getting kind of a mango print all over the top, and this comes with a dark maroon color printed bottom and a printed dupatta. So this is also a very comfortable daily wear and office wear item. The fabric will be quite thick, so you can stitch without lining also. Lining is optional for this. Okay, so this is how the top will be. Okay, just a printed cotton top. You will be getting print on both the sides. Okay, and this comes with a maroon color printed bottom, pure cotton bottom this is, and a completely printed cotton dupatta. So this is also a very lengthy fabric. Okay, so this is how the dupatta looks. It's a blue with maroon color combination, priced only at 850 with free shipping. We have got 4 colors in this. So this is blue with maroon color combination. The next is beautiful green with mustard yellow. Okay, so this is green with mustard yellow color printed bottom and printed dupatta. Okay, so this is the top will be, this is a dark bottle green color printed cotton top. Very comfortable top this is. You can wear it for office, and you can wear it as a daily wear also. And this is the bottom, you will be getting completely printed bottom, and this is the dupatta, completely printed cotton dupatta, soft cotton dupatta this is. Okay, so this is how the set looks. Priced at 850 with free shipping. So the next is maroon with blue color combination. This is the top you will be getting, and this is the bottom and dupatta. Actually, we have got one more print also in this. I'll show you that also. Okay, so this is how the top will be. Beautiful maroon color, completely printed top. Just a printed top will be, but will be very elegant for an office wear and all. And this is the bottom. You will be getting blue color bottom, and this is the dupatta. So this is priced only for 850 with free shipping. Okay, this is how the set looks. Priced only at 850 with free shipping. So the next is mustard yellow color top. Okay, mustard yellow color top, and you'll be getting a green color, dark bottle green color dupatta and bottom with this. Totally 4 combinations. Okay, so this is how the top will be, and this is the bottom you will be getting with this printed bottom and a printed dupatta. Okay, so this is how the set looks. So this is priced only at 850 with free shipping. Okay, so I'll show you the next prints in this. So this is one print. You will be getting a mango motifs all over the top, and we have got quite other prints also. This is blue color. Okay, this is the top. You will be getting blue color top with a maroon color printed bottom, Okay, so this is the bottom you will be getting, and this is the dupatta. Okay, so the next is so this is the next print. This is the mustard yellow color cotton top, and you will be getting a printed kind of a polka dot you will be getting all over the bottom, and this is the dupatta. Okay, and the next one is again a blue, but this is different print. Okay, so this is the top, and you will be getting a printed bottom. You will be getting a kind of a leaf pattern all over the dupatta, and this is the bottom. So we have one more color, that's again a dark bottle green. Okay, so this is the top, dark bottle green color printed top, and you will be getting a polka dot kind of a print in the bottom, and this is the dupatta. Let me open and show you this. Okay, so just the print alone will be different, but everything will be same. Okay, so this is a completely printed dark bottle green color top, and this is the dupatta you will be getting with this, and this is the dupatta. Sorry, this is the bottom, and this is the dupatta. Okay, very lengthy, very comfortable, very elegant item. This is priced only at 850 with free shipping. So that's all for today. I hope you all like the collections, whatever I have shown you. Many of you were asking for daily wear for a long time. So today we have come up. So all these collections will be available in our website. So kindly do log in to our website and start placing your orders. I'll meet you all tomorrow with a new set of collections. Until then, stay tuned with our page. Bye bye all.